Good morning. Welcome to another episode of In My Own Backyard, and this is day 2 of things to do in Kingston this weekend. The weather is much better, which means I get to fly my drone around a bit, which is awesome. But first, coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Crave Coffee House and Bakery is Kingston's largest independently owned and operated coffee house, scratch bakery, and full-service kitchen. If you're like me and have a sweet tooth, you'll definitely love their seashell macaroons, butter tarts, and gluten-free carrot cake. Kingston Penitentiary. Kingston Penitentiary is Canada's oldest and most notorious maximum security prison. Its location is perfect because it has ready access to the water and abundant quantities of fine limestone. The standard tour cost $35 each, and honestly was probably one of the best tours I've ever taken. The tour incorporates stories told from the actual guards who once worked there when the tour group entered certain parts of the prison. So if this was an area where a security guard actually worked, they would just show up and just start talking to you about their experiences and tell you stories and really make you feel like you were there. It was absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend it. Bellevue House, National Historic Site of Canada, was the home of Canada's first Prime Minister, Sir John Alexander Macdonald, from 1848 to 1849. The Murray Tower was built in 1846 because of the Oregon crisis to defend the St. Lawrence River from an American invasion. It is the 14th World Heritage Site in Canada and the only one in Ontario. Queen's University and the campus of Kingston is a public research university in Canada, founded on the 16th of October in 1841 via the Royal Charter issued by Queen Victoria. The university predates Canada's founding by 26 years. For lunch, we stumble upon Diane's Fish Shack. Just steps away from the waterfront, a classic East Coast kitchen meets the flavors of Mexico. Think lobster rolls, fish and chips, and oysters, along with tacos, guacamole, and Mexican barbecue.
All the taste amazing, and salad, I don't know what kind of dressing they're using, but it's amazing.
This haddock fish cake's delicious, man. It's not quite as good as the fish cakes my grandmother used to make in Barbados, but it's still pretty good.
Gosh, it's good stuff.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Bacon and
So
meat,
we'll do
cheese.
and then we'll do mayo on the side. You're okay with the celery in it? Yeah? Okay.
You know it's good when you gotta lick your finger.
Well, yeah, you need some crayons?
For dessert, we head over to Mila Gelato, which the locals say, come for gelato, but stay for the sorbet. And now, beer. And for that, we head over to Kingston Brewing Company. The Kingston Brewing Company is Ontario's oldest brew pub and is Canada's oldest wine-producing pub. Beers, wines, ciders, and soda pops are made on the premises. A courtyard and street front patio, as well as a banquet room known as the Dragon's Lair, makes this pub a must-visit. Now, the perfect way to end day 2 is with a cruise. Kingston Discovery Cruises introduces the unique sights and heritage of the Thousand Islands region and the historic waterfront of Canada's first capital. The cruise passes close to National Park Islands and National Historic Sites and includes a lively narration of Kingston's history and natural setting. It focuses on the history and waterfront of the city of Kingston and its place at the beginning of the St. Lawrence River and the Thousand Islands region. Oh, and because it's Victoria Day, we get to watch fireworks, which for tonight is included in the cost of the boat tour. Watching fireworks from the boat offers this very unique perspective, which is totally cool. That's it for me, and thank you for hanging out with me for my birthday weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to click on the bell to get notified of new videos. In description, there's a link to the full blog post, and in the comment section, tell me what you think you'd love to see in Kingston. Cheers, catch you in the next video.
Very much. Thanks for coming.
You would slap a hockey helmet on you and give you a box of crayons. That was the funniest thing I heard. I almost fell out of the chair. Oh my God.